Hi everyone. You need this official WhatsApp to use this account problem. If you're facing this problem again and again, then there is only this video will solve your issue, right? So I'm just going to show you a few tips and tricks which will 100% fix your problem. First of all, just go to Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store here, right? So this problem occurs to those people who use modded WhatsApp or a different kind of WhatsApp. That is not the official WhatsApp. So first of all, whatever the WhatsApp it's present over your phone, just delete it, right? So just click and hold, uninstall that app right now. Once you uninstall, just go to the Play Store or iOS Store, and here you have to just go to the WhatsApp. And once you go here, the WhatsApp, you have to install that WhatsApp. And once you install this WhatsApp, try to log in. If you're still facing this problem, then there's another way. Just go to the settings of your phone. And once you go to the settings of your phone, here you have to search for apps. Once you search for the apps, you will get this option of app management. App management is basically, it will show you all the application which is present over your phone, and here you have to find WhatsApp. Once you find this WhatsApp, make sure you just go to the storage usage, clear the cache. After clearing the cache, if your problem is not fixed, then just clear the data. But after the clearing the data, this will definitely fix your problem. Once you clear the data, try to reboot your phone, just switch off and switch it on, and then your problem will be 100% fixed. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.